So, in reading the case about Estrada, I noticed a few things that kind of jumped out to me. So, specifically thinking about the reflection questions, the two concepts that I immediately pulled out of the chapter was, number one, group cohesion. There was none. There was nothing done to kind of bring that group together. They worked at separate locations, so that presented some challenges, of course. And then also loss of individuality. He just pushed an email out to everybody and kind of expected them to jump on board, which of course they didn't. So that was definitely a problem. So when you think about it, the second question, how could he have responded in a context that would have made the team more successful? If possible, I would have met in person. Also, get the COO that put this to Estrada to come to that meeting and kind of state their vision and kind of what their goal was. Would have made a huge difference because that might not have been stated in the email he sent that, hey, this was a charge from the COO to go do this. Next, when you think about the composition of the team, what could have been done differently to increase their chance of success? In the most basic form, he did not follow the steps of group development. In fact, he skipped over the first three and went right to performing. So he immediately expected this group of individuals to start performing, and didn't really take any effort for everyone to get to know each other, understand the vision, the mission of what was going on. So a huge problem there. When you think about the process that he used, what changes could we have made, to make this more successful? Well, I think the ultimate thing was when he sent the first message and got no response, and then a second one, with no action, no response. Again, I would have made the move to pull the team together in person if possible. If geography and time was a problem, try to use some type of virtual technology to make that happen. And again, if possible, invite that COO that put this to him and say, hey, could you take 5 minutes and share what you've tasked me with and what our mission vision is? How are we going to measure success and what the expectations are? So that's kind of what I took away. A good case. And I think this is a mistake made by leaders often of just kind of throwing something over the wall. And I don't think any ill intent was at hand here. I think he just maybe needs a little more coaching and development on how to move this project forward.